Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunshine Foodies. This is Santosh here. Today we are going to make a simple snack which is made up of refined flour or maida or all-purpose flour with egg. First we should make the batter with refined flour and egg with little water. You can also add a pinch of salt to the taste. Once the batter is ready, we're going to spread it over the pan or tawa as you have seen, and we're going to put little grated coconut on top of the pancake, and we will add little amount of sugar. Once the sugar started melting, you can flip this pancake from both sides and to the center. And it goes directly to the table and you can start eating. I've told this as snack, but you also can use it for your breakfast. A very good pancake with a very simple recipe. And those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit on subscribe button right now and like and comment and enable the bell icon. Okay, and continue enjoying the eating of this pancake. You also can eat this with little honey if you would like to. Even if not, it is ready to eat as it is. Don't forget to subscribe.